In this version of an old classic, chicken breast is ground together with Cafreal Masala, skewered and then shallow fried. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to be taking an old classic Goan recipe and I'm going to be giving it a new modern twist. We're going to be making chicken Cafreal kebabs. These kebabs have all the amazing flavor that you can expect from chicken Cafreal. Chicken Cafreal is cooked in a green masala. This is made with coriander, vinegar and spices. And I'm going to be converting this into a kebab format and I'm going to serve it on a stick. Who doesn't love food on a stick? This is going to be served at a barbecue when I have some friends coming over later and everyone's going to love it, I'm sure. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. Let's start with the Cafreal Masala. I'm going to soak 1 teaspoon of tamarind in half a cup of water. You can also use tamarind concentrate if you like. Next, we're going to toast some spices. Heating these up will awaken the flavor. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cloves. I'm also going to add a 2-inch stick of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of white poppy seeds. Once these are warmed up, I'm just going to take it off the heat, and once it's cool, I'm going to transfer this to a food processor and process this. This is still a little coarse, so I'm going to keep processing it till it's a smoother powder. In my bigger food processor jar, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut vinegar. You can use a traditional Goa or malt vinegar, but I like the mildness of coconut vinegar. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of green chilies. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of sliced ginger, followed by a 1/4 cup of garlic. I've washed 4 cups of coriander and I'm going to add the first half. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of water to get this going. I'm going to follow this with the rest of the coriander and I'm also going to add in all of the ground roasted spices together with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric is going to give everything a wonderful glow. I'm now going to add the tamarind and water. I'm just going to give this a quick squeeze to make sure there aren't any stray seeds. Add a teaspoon of salt and start to process this. Look how amazing this looks. Because this is a fresh marinade and you're using coriander, don't prepare this marinade more than a day or 2 ahead, as it can discolor. I'm going to add 4 pounds of chicken breast. I've cut these in pieces and I'm going to add them to my food processor together with the prepared Cafreal Masala. Add salt to taste, and I'm also going to add half a cup of diced onions. I already diced these as I don't want to risk having large chunks of onion in the kebabs. I'm going to turn this on and coarsely grind it. You want to make sure that the chicken is holding together. As always, I like to do a taste test just before to make sure the seasoning is perfect. I have some bamboo skewers here. I'm using the thick ones for a better grip. With all hands, I'm going to grab some of the mixture and I'm going to form this into a sausage-like shape and I'm going to flatten it around the stick. I'm going to shallow fry these kebabs on both sides till they're cooked. As this cooks, the chicken will firm up around the stick. These are now ready to eat. A quick reheating note: I like to avoid heating these in the microwave as they can cause the stick to get loose. Either use a pan, or you can stick them in the oven, or you can even put them on the barbecue. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chicken Cafreal kebabs. All the same flavor from a great Cafreal in a kebab format. What's not to love? If you love this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you, so let me know what you think. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. Until I see you next time, you take care. Bye.